Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Quest to tell you in this tutorial how to recover your Gmail password in case you have lost, hijacked, hacked by someone, or unfortunately you have forgot. Then how and what's the best strategy to the rescue of your Gmail password we will see live in this tutorial. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now he is not in a position to the rescue of his Gmail password. So we will see live here what's the best and what's the alternative best approach to a rescue of it quickly without having the recovery email and recovery phones. It's asking last password guys, we don't have. So here is asking phone numbers. Fine, we will wait here, and yes, it's a verified ID. So just see here needs to be a phone number, etc. It's asking. Just we will click here. Don't have without making delay. So here is a volume 2 option is being given by especially Google. That answer is question. So second is that of course if your account is managed with a family link or any alternative email, then we have the sense and emails to your parents to change your password. We create both options because this is not a possible by two options we will go for. So just we will go for installation. Installation is especially Opera browser with AI and virtual private networks. So just I have started to download or install, so it's verifying and installing. So on the other hand, two chances: go in a Play Store and tap Opera with AI, then of course it will be installed. So it's installing. On the other hand, we have to two changes that's very crucial. Take any smartphones, scan how many browser is functioning, then you will have to make it especially disable. So notification is already we have already marked it disable, you will have enable, so make it disable guys. And upon we will come in a permission. In the permission is already no granted, but however we will come in a especially click here. You will have this kind of use a precise location that we will have to turn off. Then once again we will click here, don't allow anyway. So we will back here one more times, and when we go one more time again, then here we will have options. Yes, remove permission and free up space. Just we will make it disable, and then we'll go for further. We have one more browser that is especially search browser of especially Google. So just we will go for here and we will tap on this app info, and we will go the inside in a notifications. It's already disabled. We will make it disable once again because you will have enable guys, and thereupon we will come in a permission. In the permission here we will have to go in a especially locations, make the precise location of. So we will click on here, you will have especially enable. So this precise location make it disable, then click here once again, don't allow anyway. So no longer function as intended of this hands especially of this browser. Now we will have to verify the pre-up space. Let's check it out. It's already disabled. Open by default. So check it out. It's already disabled. So that's okay. Now everything should be have is disabled. Now we will go for especially this browser has been installed here. See, just we will go for open it, and when we click on here to open it, then what will happens guys here? See, it's welcoming. Fine, we will go for here. Now we will have to go for next, and see here we will have to go for click on here. Let's do it quickly guys here. Just we will go for let's allow to have the better of course. Tap on it guys. It's taking time, so no problem at all. We will have to wait here what we can. All the steps similar strategy we will have to follow. So now so we are on here, tap on this Google. So directly we are on here to sign in. Sign in there, of course it's a little bit it's taking time, so no problem at all. So we will have to wait guys here. Sometimes it's particular on some of the device, no problem at all. Now we will go for here, tap to a sign in. When we tap to a sign in, then what will happen so guys here? See, a little bit it's taking time, no problems. Now we will have to write here a particular ID. Now we'll have to tap to our next. Let's see what's asking. It's asking a password, guys. We'll go for forgot password. Always try to approach alternative options. This Gmail has been maybe especially logged with a specially device, so we do know devices doesn't have. So now we'll go for try another way. It's asking now last password. So two more option has given. Fine, we would like to third option. Third option, this array is registered last two digit of 23. Now you can see here. If you don't have, then don't text or call. If you have, then you can rescue via that also options. The third option we have generated. Fourth option we will click here, don't have, if you don't have a phone numbers. Now here we can see fourth option is that answer as many questions as you can, and fifth option is that use a device where you have signed in before, and third is that once again alternative email, etc, etc. More tips to other rescue of this account. So seventh, this one we will approach. Don't click on a try again, cut it from here directly, because maybe Google will track easily that I'm trying to rescue this account via a different browser. So what we will do now, just simply we will come in a setting to, of course, we will take a Google Assistant to other rescue itself. So how it is possible, we will see here. We will come in a Google service and the preferences. Of course here, tap on it, we will have options, that is a help here. We will go in a help option, tap on it, and thereupon we will wait here. Now here just we will click on a search bar hacked Gmail recovery. So we will click on here, now tap on it. Now here what we will do, guys, here secure or hacked or compromised Gmail accounts or Google accounts. Just we will go for here, and here is options. Yes, review which devices you use your accounts. We will not go with these ones. We will go with especially review your account activities. Here is that here if you find activity, etc, etc, this thing is saying so that yes, if you still believe someone else is using this account, so then find out if your account has been hacked. On there we'll have to click. Now we will come on here, and we have actually here page these tips can rescue of these accounts. Fine. Now we will confirm here only one, there should be no more options. Only one to create a replacement Google account. Second is that our getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. We have only two options. The third is we have here that Google account recovery page. So click on this arrow. When we tap, then directly would be a transfers to other recovery phase. And see here directly we are on recovery phase now. Fine. Now we will do here just simply we will tap, this ID would be generated, and upon we will go for next, and we can see here what's asking. Is it asking password or not? No, did not ask. So how easily we have recovered these accounts. Now don't make a stupid things that by tapping on a continue you will have to tap on a update password. Why so? Because you would be trapped in if you click the with verified recovery OTP. So you don't have, so it's verify your option would be generated, and in that condition you cannot access. So here just we will click here update password. When we tap, so then we have a here particular this ID, create a password, confirm password, and go for save it. Don't escape. After saving, so then we will go in a account with logged. Don't log out, guys. With logged you will have to go in a account Google management or Google account management. There you will have option one is a security. In security there we will have to add a firstly recovery email, and after adding the recovery emails would be generated as an alternative email. Then of course we can remove a recovery phone number that was added, old ones, and of course after removing we can add a new phone number as a recovery, and this ID will be permanent secure. Further step that we cannot show you guys, I'm extremely sorry for us because maybe a data privacy concern of my viewers. So this is all about on a live screens because it would be in a public domains in that content, so that's why this is all about. And As for the main inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Do a step by step. If you have any objections to execute a similar way, then you can drop your email in the comment box. I will fix, and of course I will the rescue of it. But you should have no any objection that if I disclose your ID in a public domain, guys, then on this channel. So this is all about, and this is only for institution purpose and education. Don't misuse it in those texts. So this is all about, guys. Thank you for visiting the Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Don't forget, leave a feedbacks below the comment box. Your feedback is very essential for me to make it such as informative tutorial. So thank you for watching that.